Welcome. Okay, today we are looking at a project called Arkada. Okay, now this is a project that's built on Sonium, the project that I discussed last time. So so we're going to look at this project, learn what it's about. Again, this is an educational video, and so the idea is we're trying to bring you different content in the Web3 space. The focus is on airdrops, AI, learning about the blockchain. Okay, so this is a good project, and uh, this week I'm focusing on the Sonium ecosystem, which I discussed in the last video. Okay, so you will find in this video that Arkada as a project will help you to quickly, you know, interact with many of the dApps building on Sonium at one place. So it's a platform that's going to make it easier for you to, set yourself up for airdrops within the Sonium ecosystem. Okay, so that being said, the first thing we're going to look at is we're going to look at, what it is. Okay, so this is the documentation, right? So that's the docs page. So basically, uh, they just a quest platform, right? So says there, get recognized for your contributions and earn top tier rewards, and it's powered by Sonia. Okay, so basically, what are Quest platforms? Now, Quest platforms, these are platforms that are used by many projects to build communities. Okay, because what they do is they create quests or tasks that you have to do. Sometimes it can be just maybe say 5 tasks within a quest. So it could be connect your X account, share your Telegram, and then depending on the nature of the project, uh, it might be, do a few transactions and all that. By doing that, you getting to access the project and, starting to interact, and they reward you, and you also get rewards from the project that you are, interacting with. So I'll give you a quick example of how this works. So okay, so I'll just come back here. So to get started, you want to launch the app. Okay, so you press launch, and then you would sign in. Okay, so I can sign in here. Um, right. Okay, yeah, signing in. Okay, I'm not gonna sign in right now because it's just gonna take forever. Let me just explain how this works. So for example, right? So there's already quests that you are doing that you have to do here, and from the Sonium ecosystem, which I was talking about, uh, you see, you can get badges for interacting with these projects. Okay, so for example, if you are interacting with KO, so all you have to do is you'd have to come here, and you all you need to do is to swap at least $100 in total volume in KO Finance. So you just swapping it. It's not like you depositing it. You're swapping it back and forth. Then after that, um, you can just withdraw and take it out. Okay. So of course, to do that, I would have to sign in, and okay, let me just try and sign in. Just to show you how this works. Right, I'll do this quick one. Right. So I'm using a MetaMask um, wallet. Why? Because since it's a layer two, right? It's easy. You can just use MetaMask. Okay. So I just wanted to show you this part. So this is how you would interact with this. So, for example, I'll just go execute. don't know why it's not interacting. Let's see. Let's try again. Oh, what I'm saying. Okay, yeah, there you go. So basically, to access this, you'd to go to K of Finance. So you'd execute, and this would take you to K of Finance, right? And from here, connect your wallet, and then you start doing the interactions. Okay. And after that, you then verify, if you've done and then it tell you, right? So because I've done the task, I've completed it to tell you that I've done that. Okay. So, and you can see I already have 850 points. Okay. So that's Arkada, right? So this is a different task, that you can do. So all these tasks that you're doing is you're getting points. Okay. So you can see, like, for this one here, these are Sonium campaigns. Because right now they only on Sonium. That's the chain they own. Now these badges, if you remember in the last video, if you watch the last video, these are the badges that are being given by the project building on Sonia. Okay, so you can see uh, uh, Sonex, Sonify, and Title Bank. So these are these projects here. Okay, let me find. Okay, so here, so you can see. Remember, this Sonium ecosystem badge is a campaign that's been launched by the community. In other words, by the dApps building, right? And I did explain what it's about. Okay, so these badges, they will give you access to airdrops in the Sonium ecosystem, right? And the start date was March 7th, and this campaign will end 1st of April. Okay, that's when the snapshot will be taken, 1st of April. So by 1st of April, if you want them badges, you should have completed whatever task they ask you to, right? And then, of course, the badge distribution, this will be on the 15th of March. Okay, but the same projects can determine their own badge drop dates, but all badges will be distributed by 15. Okay, and I did discuss this in the project in the last video. Sorry. Okay, so that's another advantage of using this Arcada ecosystem, because it will make it easier to access all these projects and get all these pages in one place, because they've got almost all the projects here. If I keep going down, you can see uh, Sonex is there, uh, Sake Finance. So there's loads of them. I can keep going on and on. But anyway, I thought I should bring you this for those people who are, interested in the Sonium blockchain. This is very good. And also, um, what I can tell you is that this will unlock a lot of rewards for you, because you're getting so many things in one place. You're getting also, access to the Asta contribution score. And also, if Sonium itself does an airdrop, then again you're accessing that by just doing that. Okay, so if you're interested, this is the place to go. And also, they are in the docs page. They talk of a pre-sale that they're going to do. I think this is a good project to access, and there's going to be a pre-sale. Um, and the pre-sale, you need to come to the token to read about the token. They tell you the tokenomics. There's going to be 500 million of them tokens. They haven't done, we don't have a TGE date so yet, right? So they haven't announced when token generation will be. Then they're going to conduct a pre-sale. And I was talking to the team today. They say the pre-sale is going to be in 20 stages, as you can see, whereby the price will be going up at each stage, right? So it's worth, you know, following these people and um, making sure if you are interested in the in token that's so that you can access it at a lower price. Okay, so you see, you can see what they're saying is that in these stages they will start at 0.01, which is like 1 cent, okay, per token. And by the time when they list it, a token generation event, so the price will be about 6 cents. So you can make a quick return, you know, a kind of a 6x there, which you can quickly do just by getting in early there. Okay, so that's the end of video. Just thought I should bring this for you, especially those who are interested in Sonium. Arkada is a really good project. I'm following it, and I'm going to try and, you know, uh, use it to get all the badges. Now, that being said, that's the end of the video today. I'll see you when I bring the next video. Thank you.